Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this hands from Gamestop. I have this long time ago. I'm gonna unbox today. Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse combo. And next we got this at Gamestop, $49.99. Atrix brand. It's a Gamestop brand. That's a key. So we have two keyboards to unbox. I have the $9.99. I got the medium mousepad. And then last Razer Black Shark. This one looks pretty cool. I like the box. For $49.99. $49.99. I'm gonna use the cooking oil. Let's see how this looks. Look. Right here. Let's see. Alright. Wow. So it's really basic one. It has the grip model number and it's really basic. Alright. Alright, there we go. The mouse pad. $29.99 at Target. AA batteries and AAA batteries. The USB. You connect to your computer. Mouse. You use like a paper wrap. It's like, it feels like you're gonna eat a sandwich. This mouse, just two buttons, no buttons on the sides. Nothing. Just a on-off button. Sensor. Keyboard. The manual. I like the quality on here right away. Yeah. So it's very quiet. Very slim design. K470. Alright guys, so we have this keyboard and mouse combo. I'll give it a 4.5 stars. Now let's do this one. It's $49.99. Atrix keyboard. Guys, thanks for watching. Me and my brother agreed that we're gonna give this away to the 1,000 subscriber. Right now, my YouTube subscribers is at 40, something like that. So the first 1,000 subscriber, we're gonna give this headset for gamers by gamers. It's called Razer Black Shark version 2X. It's actually it. So we're giving this actual piece away to whoever is the lucky 1,000 subscriber. We have a long way to go, but little step at a time. Razer. All right, peace out.